Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an ICT class for the students of class 8. Dear students, our today's topic is from chapter 3, extra question number 1 and 2. Dear students, you know that in your happy early term, few part of this lesson had discussed. Okay, so today we will discuss about extra question number 1 and 2. Number 1, what is computer virus? Explain how does it work. Answer: computer virus. Computer virus is a kind of harmful software or malware that is reproducible and can contaminate from one computer to another. This is computer virus. Then working method of computer virus, that means how does it work. Computer virus damages the system of various systems in various ways. Reducing speed, hanging or freezing and rebooting are some visible damages. Dear students, in your book here are some mistakes in your book. Okay, so it would be rebooting are some visible damages, but in your book it's written rebooting are some visible damages. Okay, so try to correct it. Most of the viruses damage the system without the user becoming aware. That means those who are users like us are becoming aware. Before our becoming aware, these viruses attack our devices. Okay, some viruses do not damage the system, just draw the attention of the users. Okay, as a result our working speed will be slow down. Okay, that means if the computer is affected by the virus, our computer will be slow down. This is the working method of a computer virus. Okay, dear students, this is all out now. And question number 1 and question number 2 is, what is computer virus? What are the systems to keep password secret? Explain. Dear students, this is too much important for you about the security of password. Okay, computer virus is a kind of harmful software or malware that is reproducible and can contaminate from one computer to another by itself. Okay, that means viruses can contaminate or can turn into from one computer to another by itself or by any method also. That method may be by using any apps, or by sharing any apps, or using pen drive, CD, DVD. Okay, then systems to keep password secret. Okay, at first we should use long password instead of short one. Dear students, to strengthen our passwords we need to use a long password instead of short password. Favorite sentences can be used if necessary. That means if you wish to give any favorite sentence like your password, then you are welcome. And secondly, both the capital and small letters can be used instead of using either capital or small letters. That means to give any password you have to use both letters, either small or capital, because it will strengthen your passwords. So you should avoid write only capital letters as password or only small letters as password. You should avoid it. Okay, again we have to use strong password and create passwords with words, sentence, number and symbols. Okay, that means we may use this words, sentences or number, that means 1 2 3 4, and symbol also as password. Okay. For example, F361A, F is capital, 375RUK, this K is capital, okay, @gmail.com. This is a password. This at first you will see that it's an email ID, but if you want to use it as your password, then the password would be very much strong. Okay, there is a scope to verify the strength of passwords online. If we use any system run by any people, that means if we use others device, okay, that means other one's device, okay, not our device, we should log out before leaving the place. Okay, we should use password manager such as LastPass, KeepPass, etc. At last, we are required to develop the practice of changing password intermittent. That means after few days we should change our passwords. Okay, this is all about question number 1 and 2, and here you have homework number 3 from chapter 3, exercise extra question answer 1. Okay, that means this one is your homework. Dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you all got understood today's class. Keep practicing it more and more by staying at home. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.